like that. I make you pump like that.
How much?
How pleasant to see you again.
Where in the cosmos am I?
You are in another universe.
Look at that bunny rabbit damage. Damn. Woo. We'll be able to take care of that when we get to our destination. Fixable. Look at this. It just does not stop here. This poor little guy also gave up on me. It started leaking propylene glycol everywhere. I would like it to stop. That's a lot. That's a lot of things to let go. I'm only halfway through. I'm at mile 1,558 for a 3,200 mile drive. This has sure been eventful so far. So, hope I'm a little luckier going forward. We'll see. $1,200 day. If I pull another one of these tomorrow, I might make it there in 3 days. 3 days is not a long enough time. Am I going to try and do that? We'll see. Okay, it is mile 2,290, and it's getting to be a little bit bland on this stretch here, but praise Allah, Tim and Eric, awesome show, great job. This here head unit plays DVDs, so what a lifesaver. This is terrifying and not at all a good time. I-76 through Ohio, I believe, has 2 cement dividers on both sides, and I hope nobody breaks down and nothing bad happens, because if it does, nowhere to go. Stretches of like 5 miles of nowhere to go. Finally, we got 2 lanes. Party time. It is 1 a.m. About 350 miles left. To add to the toll of this trip, a resistor that's not quite working well. The car detected lack of resistance in the left daytime running parking light. I opened the hood and felt the resistor. It's not even warm. They run really hot, so it's not, no current runs through it. We're gonna find out once we get to the destination. I had brought and lost my favorite pillow, Tempur-Pedic, on this trip. I just filled up what I hope to be is my last 17 gallons for this trip. With any luck, I'll be able to cover the 350 miles to home, putting me at around 6 a.m. arrival time. I will have crossed coast to coast in 3 days and 2 nights. I would very much like that.